What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to go over my portfolio and also talk a little bit about inflation because it's something that is inevitably going to happen with all this money being thrown into the economy due to quantitative easing. But it is what it is. So first of all, if you can see, it may be a green day, maybe a red day. It depends on how the first 2 or 3 hours goes in the stock market, because that's going to really set the trend. My stocks are positioned so that I don't have too much volatility. The first three, Microsoft, Google, and Facebook, are what I like to call stabilizer stocks, and add Amazon to that. That's my fourth stabilizer stock, meaning that the price usually doesn't move more than 4% per day unless there's like a big major crash like there was last year. The biggest or the best performers out of those four are Google. Google does not go under $2,000. So I am very lucky to own this stock. At first, it was a loser in this portfolio because it wasn't moving. But after the last two earnings, they've proven themselves and they skyrocketed. So congratulations to Google. Next up, we have Tesla, which is the best performing out of all my stocks. In fact, the movement that you see here is mostly because of Tesla. But recently, we've seen that drop of, maybe 30% in total of Tesla. And that's what really dragged down this portfolio as it did. It did recover back to 700, but still, Tesla has not reached a place where, that it won't drop past this level. So that's kind of the risk of investing in Tesla right now, is that it has not created a support level yet. So we'll have to see with that one. Amazon is definitely the worst performer in this portfolio. They've had great earnings, but they just can't seem to get past 3,400. The CEO is going into another position, so that definitely affected the stock price from moving up. And I don't think it's going to move up until two earnings from now, because again, he doesn't leave. Jeff Bezos does not leave his position for, I think, another 3, 4, 5 months. So people are going to always remember, oh, he's not gone yet. So when he is gone, how is the stock going to do? So it may float around 3,000 for a very long time. And it's sad to see that that's going to be the case. But again, it's a stabilizer stock so that my portfolio doesn't tank, like Tesla has been tanking for the last 2 weeks. That's just me being realistic. Next up is Square, which is second to Tesla in terms of progress. So Square has been moving up very fast lately. I think that this would be maybe my second best performer. And as you guys can see here, it does have a support level, right, of 200. So it doesn't go past 200. And when it does, it bounces back extremely fast. I'm very proud to own Square. I think that it is a great company. And I've been saying that for the longest time. So what I've been thinking lately is to add more to value stocks. So instead of having mostly growth stocks like I do right now, I want to have a few value stocks in my other portfolio. And one of the big reasons is due to the inflation that's going to come up pretty soon. And it's going to hit really hard. Right now, the inflation rate, I believe, is at 1.68%. And people are fearing that it's going to go up to 2, 3, 4% due to the money that's being printed and thrown into the economy. So I know it's a controversial issue because a lot of people actually do need the money. But there are people who don't need the money that are still getting the money, and it's going to cause there to be increase in prices like we've seen already. But then there's going to be big drops like we've seen with Tesla and Square, right? So I'm thinking about putting my money more into value stocks like you guys see here, but I haven't chosen which ones to put it in yet. Of course, the majority of my portfolio is going to be growth stocks, but I need a little more safely in these portfolios that I have. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope you like and subscribe. See you next time.